What is up, everybody? Brian Mackey here, and on today's home tour we have an amazing home in the Point Marie subdivision, and I gave a little teaser in the thumbnail that the bathrooms in this home are just spectacular. So stay tuned through the video to watch the most amazing wet room that I've seen in Baton Rouge. This thing is just phenomenal. Much thanks to Terry DeFreitas. I think I said that name right. She's the listing agent for this property. I'll leave her info down below. If you're interested in more home tours like this, feel free to subscribe and then comment below. And then if you're interested in buying in the area, my wife Janelle or myself will definitely be able to help you out. So reach out to us. Our information is in the description below. All right, let's go. Alrighty, now let's take a look at this beautiful, beautiful home in the Point Marie subdivision. It's minutes away from the casino, LSU, and so much more. And the quality of the homes and the whole setup of this community is really just fantastic. But let's just jump into this property. I'll tell you all about Point Marie at different points in the video. But as you go into the property, you got the gas lantern, the inlet ceilings there with the beautiful brick inlay, your 2-car garage, and I'm just panning around just to kind of get a view of the streets there, because they're all, I guess you could say, cobblestone. The sidewalks are cobblestone. It's just a really, really beautiful community. But let's just go ahead and jump in here right away. This home, like I mentioned, is over 3,000 square foot. Right when you walk in, you get that expansive feel. Jumping into this living room with the fireplace that's flanked with the 2 green storage areas and the beautiful chandelier looking into the kitchen with the lighting. And that's going to be a big theme about this house. I mentioned that the master bathroom and all the bathrooms actually in general are just beautiful, but the lighting in this house, like, there's not a single light throughout the area that you would just find regularly at Home Depot or something. As you can see, right as I turn into this beautiful chandelier that's hanging from the ceiling, that you drop a nice large family table to kind of break up the living space there. Oh, another thing too is the tile work. So bathrooms, the tile work, and the lighting, and you can just see how the light plays off the tile here. And then of course you have the beautiful storage, custom cabinetry with the soft close. Boom. Beautiful, I'm not sure that's granite, but beautiful stonework there on into your large kitchen island. That's the master bedroom, which I'm just kind of saving towards the end because the bathroom is just so beautiful. So definitely want to stay tuned there. And I actually want to hear what you guys think about all the bathrooms and kind of rate which one you thought was the best. But let me know what your thoughts are there. So large kitchen island, and then you can see the refrigerator off to the left hand side. But the house has really cool details that you're about to see right about now as I get up to it. But you have like a little inset plug, that's the backyard, which we'll cover in a moment. But I just pressed it. I'll show you on the next one, but you can't really see it there, but that's a plug that goes in and out. So I'll just tuck that back in, and we're good to go. Onto the kitchen there. Another view with the large wood beams and beautiful stove for those that like to cook. And here's another one. So you can plug in your iPad if you're doing your recipes, you're cooking, you wanted to watch that, or just charge whatever you need. And then this right here is a Wi-Fi. Oops, spoke too soon. But one quick view of the home again. But this right here I thought was pretty cool. It's a Bosch built-in Wi-Fi espresso maker, coffee maker. I have friends that are really into that. I'm good with my McCafe. Don't hate on me, my coffee, but it gets the job done. Onto your closet storage. And like I said, I'm working this way because I want to save the best for last. So if you wanted to skip ahead and see some of the bathrooms, specifically the master bathroom, you could, but I think you're going to be very happy to kind of sit all the way through this little mudroom kind of area there for the kids. And then again, tile work throughout the home was just impeccable. I mean, who does this to their laundry room where the tile just goes all the way from the floor to the backsplash? pretty, seamlessly there. And then you have obviously a beautiful sink while you're washing your clothes and doing the other things that you have to do as we go through our lives. But might as well do it in style, right? Again, another beautiful, I guess, floor to ceiling tile work that was done here. It's mirrored, so you'll kind of see me as I go into the bathroom here. And of course, again, more beautiful lighting. But as you can see there, so yeah, I really like the design of the bathrooms, and each one kind of has a different look, a theme, a color pattern, but each one stands out perfectly on its own. And I thought this was pretty cool in the garage. Again, another beautiful set of tile work, but you could wash your dog, you could wash your boots off, different things like that right into the garage, so you don't have to track it inside the house. And then the garage floor, I don't know if you caught that, was coated. So everything is insulated too. Garage doors were insulated. Really a nice space. Another quick peek outside. I like how they painted the brick white. So again, that's the master bedroom and bath, and we'll hold off on that and head upstairs really quick right here. But the Point Marie community is just a beautiful community, minutes away from the casino, which a lot of people visit, and then the LSU. So if you like to go to LSU games and such, you're just right around the corner. The community has a community garden, swimming pool, play areas for the kids, has a ton of concerts that they throw all the time and outdoor activities. It's just really, really nice. Like I said, the streets are cobblestone. A lot of the homes back up into the wooded areas, which they won't be built upon, so you won't have any back neighbors. But yeah, it's just a really, really serene, quiet area. You can see people riding around in their little golf carts, going here and there to their friends' houses, and it really does have a community vibe. So again, here we are into the first of the bedrooms with its own ensuite and large closet. Again, the lighting is on point. Ample storage. So this could rival really any master bathroom in maybe a $400,000, $500,000 home. But this has the walk-in shower here. And again, the tile work is just crazy because, it's hard to, it's easy to make mistakes, I should say, when you're doing tile work. So you got to have a good crew. The builder here definitely knows what they're doing, and they didn't cut any corners. You cannot see any mistakes in this tile work. And you have the built-in functionality there for the jets and stuff like that. And I think it has a speaker system there. But anyway, the tile work here is just immaculate through and through. And you tie that in with the beautiful lighting. It's a win-win all the way around. Because I've been to some homes. This is just the landing area here. I've been to some homes where the tile is beautiful and just poorly executed. So like I said, I've been to a lot of homes. I've seen a lot of work done, new builds, flips, etc. The tile work in this home is just spectacular. And that's hopefully all I have to say about how good the tile work was done. These guys did a great job. But just looking into your neighbors are close, but again, that's intentional because they wanted to have that community vibe, that feel, so that you know your neighbor. It's just built that way. So, but everything is pristine, clean, no trash in the streets, just beautiful landscaping, on and on and on. This one has the black trim work that I really like. Again, each one has the shower wand, and it's just sparkly with the built-ins too. Here's the closet space here. And this bathroom, again, every bathroom has its own theme. This one's a little bit of a darker theme with the black cabinetry, with the black trim. But again, this bathroom could rival a master suite in another home. So just really cool that each one of the bedrooms has its own bathroom and its own different unique style. And here's the third with its closet that I'm about to pop into. Again, ample storage space. And so again, like I said, drop in the comments what you like most about the home, the bathrooms, which tile you liked, what you think of the community. If you have any questions about the community, feel free to reach out. I'll have my contact information down below. But this is a can't lose property and a can't lose community. You know, some people will say they don't like to live so close to their neighbors, but then there's a lot of folks that don't want the maintenance of a large yard and like the community feel that a lot of people think is kind of lost this day and age. So when you go outside and you're walking the streets of Point Marie, you're gonna just see that connection. Again, cool lighting there. I zoomed in there because the handle had that nice black emerald on it. There you go. I guess that's more of an onyx is what you would call that gem, but yeah, super cool bathrooms. So yeah, like I said, very desirable community near LSU. So I wouldn't say this is centrally located to Baton Rouge. It's kind of, you can get to Prairieville pretty quickly from here. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and you will get updated for more property tours that I'm doing in the Baton Rouge area, Prairieville, Gonzales, etc. Here's the master bedroom, and as you can see, it has the really tall ceilings with the great lighting, and it peeks out into the backyard. So if you're hanging out and you're grilling, you can see out towards the backyard there. But here is the pièce de résistance, if I said that correctly. With this bathroom, hopefully this video does it justice, but I'll just kind of let you look. Floor to ceiling, it's called a wet room. And so all in all, obviously it's your bathroom, but stepping into this wet room, I'd opened the door when I first got here and I was just amazed. I've never seen something like this, all the way to the lighting. So tile and lighting in the bathrooms, again, were the feature point of this property. It has a his and her shower head with the beautiful glass door, gold accents, you know, all the windows throughout the bathroom. 2 stories essentially of windows. The soap dishes have the cool granite kind of holder there. And then of course the deep soak tub. So yeah, I'm feeling this bathroom. Let me know what you guys think about this bathroom. It is sick. So let's check out the vanities here. His and hers, with again the cool handles on the faucets. So this home is about like the little details that make it pop. Looking out into the closet, looks out into the street, which I thought was kind of cool, different. So you definitely want to, if you don't have, you know, your closet looking good, somebody could see into there if they were being snoopy, but obviously you'd put some nice blinds or something on that. But there's a look of the white picket fence, built-in dresser, so you don't have to get a bunch of clunky furniture. You can keep it kind of minimal if you wanted to in your actual master bedroom. So yeah, there's that detail again on the faucet handles. So we'll jump outside real quick here. And like I mentioned before, there's not much of a yard, if any. And again, that's intentional because they want you to spend time with the community out and about, not so much tucked away into your backyard. But again, you do have enough space to enjoy, and you can fence it in. And the best part about it, like I said, is you're not going to have back neighbors. So it's super quiet. I turned down the sound and I'm talking over the video here, but you can't hear a sound out here. It's so quiet. So yeah, there's your next neighbor. There's a lot that's vacant right there that I'm sure is just waiting to be purchased, to be built upon. But you have the white siding with the black trim. Super, super cool. And, you know, kind of coveted. That's what the style is nowadays. So just taking another quick tour as we head out to the outdoors, back to the front of the home. But you get one more quick look of the lighting and the tile. The brickwork, I mean, even the lighting above the storage cabinets there is super cool. But headed out, obviously you have that beautiful feel as you're looking out into the neighborhood. Nice landscaping, the brick inlay leading into the garage. 2-car garage that had that little pet cleanup station that we saw, which I don't really see that too often. I'm not gonna lie there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the property. It's a beautiful property. Like I said, this one is just under $800,000, currently at $794,000, and you get 4 bathroom en-suites with those rooms. An incredible bathroom in each situation with the master bathroom that's just out of control. So that's the property. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I mentioned before, if you're interested in buying or selling in the Baton Rouge area, the surrounding areas, Gonzales, Prairieville, Denham Springs, let me know. I can help you out. I have free buyer's guides down below, free seller's guides. My wife Janelle and I would love to assist you. Just give us a call, 225-337-6363, or call Janelle at 915-494-8535. All right.